Here's some goldfish. Are those good? Are those the best goldfishes ever? Say mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? We are doing great. Yeah, today's a good day. You know, happiness is a choice. 100% happiness is a choice. So if you wake up saying, you know what, I'm gonna be happy, start off the mood right and all that, you're gonna be happy, I promise. But anyways, we're getting ready to, we're gonna go to the play club. We're gonna go have a little bit of fun today. It's later on in the day, so it's right now, it's I think 4. Badge just got done eating some lunch. It took him, he didn't want to eat lunch today. He was kind of being a little butthead about that, but finally I sat him on the couch and I fed him his sandwich. He didn't want to feed himself. So he ate the whole thing with some whole wheat goldfish, whole grain goldfish. But yeah, we're gonna go play. I'm just gonna finish up my little coffee drink right now. And then we're gonna get going. Badge has been sleeping in the last couple of days, and I think it's because he's been going to bed late, which well, no, I take that back. Not that he's going to bed late, he's missing naps, or he's not taking long naps. Like yesterday, he went the whole day with, I think he took, in total, maybe a 30-minute nap, if that. The day before that, he didn't really have a nap, so the last 2 days he's been sleeping in, and Friday mornings, Krista actually has to go to work early. I think she leaves here like around 8. She's got to be there by 9. So Badge and I, well, since Badge didn't wake up, I didn't wake up, so we didn't get to see her this morning before she went to work. So that's a little bit of a bummer. I mean, don't get me wrong, sleeping in a little bit, especially when he's sleeping, you can't beat that. You take it as it comes. But yeah, we didn't get to see her this morning, so hopefully she's not working late. That way she can see Badge before she goes to bed, or before he goes to bed, should I say. But you want to go play, bud? Yeah? Look at your outfit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. Okay, a little bit. Yes, guys, it's coffee, but he doesn't drink a lot of it. And caffeine does not make him hyper at all. I mean, if he were to probably drink it or eat it in extreme excess, maybe, but it does not make him hyper. I could literally, like for instance, Krista would share her coffee, real coffee, you know, from the coffee pot, share her coffee with Badge in the morning, and he would take his nap by 10 o'clock. No problem at all. So caffeine just doesn't affect him, which I'm very thankful for. Oh, look at you scooting. Scoot, scoot, scoot. Walking backwards, buddy. Love you. We need to cut your nails. You got some long nails. Yes, you do.
Grandma.
That's Grandma? That's a goldfish, silly. Not Grandma.
Mama.
And that's not Mama. Oh, yeah, that's what Mama drives.
Mama.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
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 Bye. Somebody's got some tricks.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Oh.
Bye.
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 Bye. Bye.
Us.
What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing, silly? Ah! Ouch! Alright guys, so we just got done playing at the play club. What's up, bud? Beep beep! And I didn't take the camera in there because it was so packed. So busy. Oh my goodness. So I just left everything that was in my pockets and the diaper bag, and it's like, no, but I think we're gonna head home. I have a little bit of a headache. I've kind of had one all day today, and I don't know what's causing it or anything like that, but we're gonna head home and cool down. It is hot. We got Mr. Cool dude right back there. What are you making there, bud?
No.
That was a tongue. Nose. Can you say eyes? Eyes.
No.
Nose. You gonna put his hat on him? You got a safari potato? Good job. Push it down a little harder.
Wait.
Here, let me see if I can help you. Let's see here. We gotta push it down. It's a little tough to get in. There you go. Yeah. You say thank you. Say thank you. You're welcome. And put his arms in. Did you have fun at the play club? Huh, mister? So focused. Good job. You got 2 arms in there, huh? You want me to help you push it in? There you go. Eyes. Eyes. Nose.
No.
This is a nose. It's a hat. 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 Eyes. Nose.
No.
Mustache.
No. No.
That's a mouth. That's a tongue.
No.
To the cars now. Okay, let's put your potato heads back. You can get all your cars. Let's see. Thank you. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 8 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What? You want to put it in your hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know what it is about you playing in your bed, but you always take out your blanket. Next is gonna be the pillow. If not the pillow, then the cannon. Let's see. He's gotta show his muscles. Mr. Muscle Beach Badger. And there goes the pillow. Oh, thank you. Alright, what's the plan, Stan? You have bowling pins in your bed? Do you bowl in your sleep? No? Are you sure? Not everybody has a bowling pin in their bed. And you have another one. What are you doing sleeping with bowling pins? Oh, that's kind of silly. You weirdo. Do you have any more bowling pins? Do you have a bowling ball maybe? What are you gonna do? You're gonna... Oh, excuse you. Don't blame it on anybody behind you. There's nobody behind you. You tooted. That's another one. We got the car club all gathered. You silly. You want to read me a book? You're awfully quiet over there. Excuse me, sir. Will you read me this one? What time is it, Peter Rabbit? Alright, I'll read it to you. Just flip the pages, okay? It's 3 o'clock and at 8 o'clock, it's time to comb Tom Kitten's tail and whiskers. It's 10 o'clock and at 1 o'clock, at 2 o'clock, at 6 o'clock, Peter's sisters. What time do you get up? You're making this very difficult. I can't speed read. I think your expectations are a little too high for me. I can only do the best that I can. Yeah. Good night, 7 o'clock. Yeah. Too quick. Am I reading too slow for you? 7 cows. Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2. Okay. 9 sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Yeah. Nana. That's a clock. This, yeah, a clock. This small hand is the hour hand, and the long hand is the minute hand. Or, yeah, or it could be a nose clock too. Big Boo! Pink? No, you gotta squish it. Squish it right here. Squish it. And squish it. Ready? The house. Oh, look. The house. You want to make a butterfly? Ooh. Oh, I'm in the house. Very good. Oh, there you go. Uh-huh. Now I'm going to do dark, okay? Now push it hard. Push it really hard. Ugh. Now you get all the Play-Doh around it. Look. All the Play-Doh around it. Uh-oh. There you go. You do it again. Very good. Mama make a bunny. Eee! Blue. Purple. This one? Ooh, very good.
kind of cool. Want to make a fishy? Want me to make a fishy? How about... Oh, let's make a heart. You ready?
Me.
Aww.
Alright, well I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video there. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me. And also, if you're new to the channel and you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.